So, good day, everyone. I am Aliza Tobambanwa. I am part of the group days from BSIT 31, and this is a requirement for our subject IT elective 3. And we will conduct an audit report for the supply management information system developed by the Astral Angels. So, for the audit, in this audit, we will conduct a system walkthrough for the system information management of the group Astral Angels. The goal is to evaluate its functionality, identify potential issues, and provide recommendations for improvement. So, the contents are login credentials and role permissions, main process flow, reports, maintenance, dashboard, backup and restore, and other features. So, the assigned part for me is the login credentials and role permissions. So as we delve in sa part na login credentials and role permissions, we will check kung they use unique usernames, they implement strong password policy, kung gumagana rin ba yung password visibility while typing. We will also see the login attempt limit or kung ilang limits ba yung pwedeng magawa before malock yung account or yung page nila. And also the forgot password feature. For the role permissions naman, we will check the defined roles and role assignment validation. So next is the system walkthrough and demonstration. So here, we will see their website and check natin kung yung binigay nilang credentials will work and kung makakapasok ba tayo sa system with the designated permission. So here, we will try the super admin credentials. So for the super admin credentials, the password is, so check natin if gumagana yung password visibility toggle. And yes, gumagana naman siya. We'll see if makaka-login. And here, nakapasok naman tayo as super admin. While for the user, we will also check if tama yung binigay na credentials and makakapasok ba. Also here. So yes, it is working. So for the login credentials that was given by the Astral Angels, gumagana naman siya, and accurate naman. So now we will try to forget the password. So we will try here sa user lang. So forgot password. We will check if it will be sent to my email. Send reset link. Let's check email. So, let's see here yung pinaka latest. Here. So, pwedeng ma-reset yung password. So, the password is, let's say, so here. So yes, it is working. So in this browser, we will change it to the super admin since sa kabilang browser tayo gagamit ng user. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go back to login. Okay. So, yun. The password is well working as well as the forgot password. So, wala namang na-encounter na delay and also it was sent to the email. Next is for the role permission. So, for the role permission, we will see it here sa super admin side. So, for the role permission, we can see here the user management. Here are the users. So, property custodian, registrar, sample office, and then a test. So, here, for the permissions, it is well defined here kung user ka. I-check lang dito kung alin yung mga permissions na allowed. But still, it needs an enhancement. So, as we suggested, it it needs to have a checkbox na. So, like that. Let's try to edit, view cancel, to update. So, once we updated this, sample office. Wala pa rin siyang lumalabas na checkbox. Although, it was permitted na since we can see here sa orders, we can see the pending, approve, release, disapprove. So, it is working and it also reflects the permission given to the user. For enhancement, it should be or it should have a checkbox kung alin yung mga permissions na meron na para hindi ma-confuse si user or especially si super admin kung ano yung mga permissions na meron na siya. So, that's for the role permission. So, if we add user, merong dalawa lang, admin and the user. So, for the permissions, we have view pending, view approved, view release, view canceled, edit RIS, deny, add user, edit user, delete user, add supply, and edit supply. So for the admin side, all these permissions is selected. Well, for the user, we only have view pending, view approve, view release, view canceled permission. So that's all for the login credentials and role permission. So for the summary of this part. So, role permission display. So, current permissions checklist shows empty boxes even for users who already have permissions, making it hard to identify and assign rights. So, as I mentioned earlier, sa mga users na meron naman ng current permission, it shows empty boxes. So, kahit meron na silang permission, empty pa rin yung checkbox. So, medyo mahirap ma-identify yung assigned rights para dun sa specific user na yan. So, as per suggestion, update the interface so that the assigned permissions are visibly checked by default. This makes audits and role reviews faster and more accurate. So next is the password requirements. As I noticed as a comment, the system accepts password containing only letters which weakens password security. So kanina, while checking or while trying the change password, it only requires minimum of 8 characters only without combinations of uppercase, lowercase, such as. So it weakens the password security. So for this suggestion, enforce a strong password policy that requires a combination of uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special characters with a minimum length of, example, 8 to 12 characters. So that's all for the login credentials and role permissions audit.